Oh, what is up, guys? Welcome back to TK's Garage, and it's time to start drilling some shit. Alright guys, welcome on back to TK's Garage. We haven't done anything on the Volkswagen in quite a while, and I want to get started on it. One of the things that I want to try to do is drill some holes in the bodywork here. So we're going to lift the what you call it here, the tarp, or the car cover over just this area. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a couple of holes around key areas where I know I need to pull out, because I think if I can get this out, you know, is it going to be perfect? No, but I think like with some body work and some body fill, I can at least get this out where I can get a window back in here and get that to work. Rip this door off. I know you probably think it's impossible, but yeah, I think I can do it. So let's get started. Now, I picked up this thing at Lowe's, same thing as the drill bit. It's supposed to be a metal drill bit. To be honest, I've never done anything like this before, so it'll be the first time of me doing any kind of body work like this. So we're gonna go in areas that I know I need to really get into. So we're gonna start here. Okay, we'll try again. Right there, you're about to break free. All right, maybe I need to turn up the juice on this. Hold on. All right, we got the power turned up. Ooh, shit. Ooh, I'm gonna break my wrist fucking with that. All right, so we got that piece of the skin out. We got a hole there. I know some of y'all gonna be like, TK, this is absolutely the wrong way to do this, and I hear you. I really do, but I also know I got to get this done. So I got to do something with it, right? All right. Another area that I can hook in and pull on. Now look, I'm not stupid. I know this is not going to be perfect, but I'm going to work with what I can here to get as much out and as much done as I can. And I think, I know you guys are going to be going off about me drilling holes in this car, but this is a learning process for me, so I'm just learning shit right now. And I'm also one-handing this drill. Ooh, that don't look good. What the hell is that? Some kind of black shit. All right, I'm gonna set you guys up here on the thing where I go in. Hold on one second. Barring the wind blowing real hard, you guys should be able to get a good view here, so see what the hell that's about. Oh, that's just the stuff from the window. All right, cool. So now I got a couple different points where I can run a line through here and pull, and it will be the same thing here. We'll put a little hole here on the side. Sorry if you're looking at my ass crack. All right, and we got a hole there on the side, so you can see we got one there, what it'll allow us. Let me see if I can tap into zoom. Oh, there we go. You can see we got the two there. That should be enough for us to put lines through that and pull that out. Now the fun part's gonna be trying to get this friggin' door out, man. And I'm tempted, I really am tempted to try to, ooh, shit, there goes my wrist. Oh boy. I'm tempted to kick it from the other side and see what happens. What do you guys think? You guys think something bad's gonna happen? Let's find out. Try to get this door out. Whew. All right, let's see here. All right. Get up here. I'm gonna lift on this side now. Oh, did I get it stuck in the door? I did. That's why it's sitting. All right. Lift that up on the end so I can get a good grip in here. All right, guys. What do you guys think is going to happen? You think I'm going to be able to kick this door out? I don't think it's going to happen, but I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to give it a try. Good old fashioned college try, right? Oh, shit. Yeah. Nope. And it probably didn't even budge, huh? It probably didn't even freaking budge. Nope. Well, it looks like I'm gonna have to tie the ram. I don't know what the fuck that is. I'm gonna tie the ram and put a strap through it, right through that hole and up over the top. Put the strap on it, hook it up to the hitch, and that way I'll go. And that door will come off violently. Huh. Well, I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but I definitely got something done here. I got a area here where I can run my line through here, and another one where I can run that cable through there and try to pull some of this stuff out. I'll use smaller drill bits for other holes. I'm gonna body fill this, so for somebody saying, well, you're drilling holes in it, I don't really care. I'm gonna body fill it. I don't expect this car to win any show awards. Okay, this is the first car that I'm doing anything significant body-wise to. Oh, crap. Well, with a lot of firing on the range, I can hear that, and we're about to get a storm. Fun times. Well, and some of these kids getting their ass beat. Anyways, with that said, just a quick bonus video or update video on the Volkswagen. I have so much more to do to it. So probably tomorrow I'll put the cables in here and I'm going to try to pull this out where we can get this straight. We're going to bend this out and then I'm going to work on pulling some of this dent out here in the rear. We'll definitely get the door off and put the strap on it. Boom. Pull that door out and then we'll be good as far as that goes as well. But that's pretty much it. I got to be honest, this little battery powered drill and this metal drill bit from Lowe's is actually pretty decent. I'm surprised. Huh. Well, guys, this was just a bonus video. I got to jump into the premiere. You guys are watching now with the police cars. So that'll let you know when this was filmed. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Maybe you'll think I'm an idiot for drilling holes into this and trying to pull it out. Maybe you think I'm an idiot for even trying to put this car back together. But I own it. So I don't have a choice but to do it. So with that said, if you haven't hit the subscribe button, hit that subscribe button if you want to see some interesting, goofy stuff, because I'm sure I'm going to make lots of mistakes on this car. And hit the thumbs up button, you know, if you like the content. Till next time, I'll catch you guys on our next video. Peace.